Okay, this video is going to be how to get the seeds out of a pomegranate. First, start by cutting right down the middle all the way around so we have two halves. So just kind of break the skin. You don't have to go too far. Go all the way around. And then, all right, what you do, you should be able to crack it open. And you'll see a bunch kind of fall out right there, but that's okay. This is what we're left with, and there's tons in here under that, under each one of the things, so we want to get it out easily. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just save one of the halves, move the plate over, and I'll take a bowl. So this is what we want to get out, and everything up under all of this stuff easily. So you need that. You need a good spoon. It could be wooden, where I'm gonna use a metal spoon and do this. You probably have seen this on YouTube. Here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna kind of pull it apart a little bit, kind of stretch it. And as you start to stretch it, you'll see it may break some come out, that's okay. We're just gonna stretch it, make it easy for these to come out. If it breaks a little bit, that's okay. Some are falling in the bowl, perfect. All right, so now, we're just gonna hold your hand and wash your hands. I washed my hands already. Wash your hands, place it on your hand over the bowl, just like this. Now, you're gonna take this spoon and you're gonna hit it pretty hard. As I'm doing this, tons of seeds are falling into my hand and through my fingers into the bowl. And I'll show you, just gonna move it around. As you do that, looks a little silly, but let me stop right now and show you. All right, so it's getting them out of there, but here's what's in the bowl. So you can already see tons of seeds and easy to pick out, a little piece like that. So you can get that out, but you're gonna be left with all seeds. So just keep doing that. Until basically there's nothing left. You can see we're getting where most of it is out. Some is still in there. Oops. Some of the seeds go flying. Okay, almost there. Almost. And we get a lot. This one had a lot of seeds in it. All right, and look, this is what we got. All the seeds out, maybe one or two in here. Look, but look, get the one out there, clean. And we pick out a couple of the things just to came out with it. Here, like that. And then let's just see what you're left with. You're left with, oops, and there's just tons in here. Get that out. Here's what you're left with. A bowl full, and you can just pick out a few more of these little stragglers, and then you're full of seeds. That's it.